We've known for a while now that the ancient Egyptians built some incredible structures, perhaps most notably the pyramids. These structures are so massive that even today they're the tallest man-made structures in the world. But despite their size, we've managed to discover some things about them that make them even more impressive. For example, we've known since 1991 that there are voids or empty spaces within the Great Pyramid of Giza. And in 2017, researchers found that one of these voids is basically a giant cavity taking up around 10% of the pyramid's total volume. But other secrets have been harder to uncover. Researchers were recently able to use a technology called synthetic aperture radar to look inside the pyramids, and they found something incredible. They found columns beneath the pyramids. These columns are located in the base of the second pyramid at Giza, the one commonly referred to as the Pyramid of Khafre, and according to the researchers, these columns are roughly 26 feet below the surface and around 3 feet thick. What's more, they're located underneath the central void or cavity that we mentioned earlier. But what's even more interesting is that researchers were able to identify these columns without actually drilling into the pyramid or excavating anything. Instead, they used a technique called muon tomography. Muon tomography uses muons, which are subatomic particles that are similar to electrons, but are about 200 times heavier. When cosmic rays hit the Earth's atmosphere, they collide with molecules in the atmosphere and produce showers of muons. These muons travel through the ground, and the rate at which they decay can tell us a lot about what's inside the ground. That's because different materials will interact with muons to varying degrees. So by measuring how many muons are getting through the ground and how fast they're decaying, we can learn about the density and composition of the material, and that's exactly what these researchers did. In this case, the muons revealed 2 cylindrical voids in the bedrock beneath the pyramid. The team believes these voids may have been used to support the immense weight of the pyramid, but it's unclear whether or not they were also used in the construction of the famous central cavity. The researchers published their findings in the journal Nature in April of 2023, and although their work has revealed a lot about the structure beneath the pyramids, they say that much more work needs to be done before we can really understand it. Synthetic aperture radar is just one amazing technology that helps us learn more about our world. If you want to learn more about cutting-edge technologies, make sure to subscribe to the channel.